Before we continue, let me show you in the portal where you can find additional information regarding repositories. If you look at the analytics rule, you can see column called source name, which indicates it was created from a repository. We can also go inside the analytics rule and try to edit it. Microsoft will actually warn you that this rule is synced with the external repository, and any changes will be overwritten by the next sync. That's very important to realize, because if you change anything inside the analytics rule, you need to generate an ARM template and download it to your repository. Otherwise, you might lose your up-to-date configuration. Okay, let me actually show you where you can find additional details about the deployment if it was successful. If we go back to Microsoft Sentinel homepage and navigate inside repositories, immediately you can see that the last deployment status was successful. You can also select your connection and more details will be provided. In the right corner, you can find last deployment time. So you have multiple ways to verify that your deployment was successful. And although it seems like everything went alright, it's a lie. Maybe you have noticed some errors inside our pipeline during the deployment. If you did, kudos to you, because we will address them together in our next video.